Welcome to Think a Bit. I'm Joe King, and today is Sunday, July 24th, and the price of Bitcoin is 22,785. Yeah, and PlanetWatch doesn't do AMAs anymore. Take a look at this. Their last AMA was July 1st. It's already the 24th, so what is that, 3 weeks they don't hold the AMA? There's a lot of new news happening in PlanetWatch too. All this new news, and they can't even hold the AMA talking about it. So from now on, Claudio doesn't want to do a weekly AMA. I'll do a weekly AMA, and I'll tell you all the stuff happening in PlanetWatch. Because I know Claudio's not doing his job, but I don't know what he's doing. So I'll start doing it for him. Now, there's some new news now. The newest news is there's a Type 2 reward increase vote. I mean, the Type 2s ain't even out yet. You can't even get them. But there's a Type 2 reward increase vote. I mean, I don't know where they get these votes from and how you get legislation or get something to propose a vote on, because I want to propose a few votes too. But I'm voting no on this one because the only reason they want the Type 2 reward increase because they're not going to be able to sell these devices. I don't know how much the devices are, but I'm thinking they're like probably $300-400 at the least. They could be all the way up to 500 because this is what check out the reward structure right now. Type 2 sensor. Before it was only going to be 19 a day. If you're a tier 1 pixel, and they're trying to increase that to 38 a day. If you're a tier 2 pixel, it's been 12 a day. They're trying to increase it to 25. But I'm saying vote no for this because who said we only want a ×1 increase? If I'm spending $500, $400, I need a bigger than only ×1 increase. We need a ×5 increase because PlanetWatch is not even a penny right now. It's sitting at 0.006. So it's a little bit. It's like half a penny right now. So you do half a penny, it'll be 14 cents. 14 cents a day on a $500 miner. I just don't see how that makes sense. Plus, you have to buy your licenses. Even with the voucher, you only can use one voucher off. You only can do $100 off in each voucher. So if it's $500, you can get it for $400. If it's $400, you get it for $300. Still, at 14 cents a day, it'll take years to pay off. So we need like a ×5 increase. Just voting one for a double increase makes no sense. I say we vote this down and we get better legislation for a bigger increase. Now, the voting is kind of confusing. If you need to learn how to vote, you have to open up the PlanetWatch app. But they don't say, they just say open up the PlanetWatch app. They don't say where to look to click to vote. But I'm going to show you where to vote right here because it's kind of confusing. It took me like a few seconds to figure it out. So let's take a look. You open up the PlanetWatch app, here it is. And then you're like, where do I vote at? Yeah, it's in outdoor sensors. Like the first screen you do when you log in, it says right here, this blue tab, Gov Vote T2 Rewards. You have to click on that. And then, you have to copy like what address you want to vote for. This one or that one. I'm voting for no because, ×2 increase, it's not good enough for me. So lastly, a new thing I want to vote on is Type 3 rewards drop all the way to 45 to 15. They reach saturation. So I'm saying if we're voting for stuff, I want to vote to get my Type 3 rewards back to 45. I want to get that passed. I want to get my Type 3 rewards back up to 45. Let's vote for that. And that's all really the PlanetWatch news I have today. So if you need the new PlanetWatch news, you could join the Discord. You always could ask me in my Discord. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord. And that's it. That's all I have for today. And don't forget the weekly AMAs. The weekly AMAs start this Wednesday.